बेड में कितने लिए क्वेश्चन
एक मिनट चालू है.
है?
Well, a very good morning, all of you. Once again, a hearty welcome to the Konika BBM BCA College. Well, a third semester student, especially, I am taking the class about that entrepreneurship development. Continuously, we are taking the classes without any stops and without any holidays and all these things except Sunday. Well, dear students, so we are in the third model. That is nothing but as I already told you that we are going on the successful entrepreneurs. So autobiography of those who are very successful in India and in a international levels. So totally autobiography, there are a totally 6 autobiography is there. In that we are already taken as a 4, and today we have to be one more successful entrepreneurs is that is nothing but as his name is a Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg, well-known person, you already know when I had to take name of that Facebook. He has a main introduction of the introduced by a Zuckerberg by the internet Facebook.coms and the WhatsApp. He is the main person who has a started and he has buy the WhatsApp from the 2.2 billions for that, and he is the main person who has introduced by the Facebook.com and also a Intel. That is nothing but as a by the Zuckerberg. Well, today we have to start little bit on that. So he is also be a most popular man from the New York. So Zuckerberg born in the New York. That is a main company is the Zuckerberg's company is the Facebook, Internet and Intel was he was born in the New York when it is a May 14th 1984 he was born in the New York. So he in his family totally 4 members are there. In that he is a second son in his family. So his father name is Edward Zuckerberg and he is a person Zuckerberg, Mark Zuckerberg, he is very educated in his family and father also he is working in the same level was that. So here we had to know little bit that. So Mark Zuckerberg was born on May 1984, 14th May he was born 1984 in the New York. He was a second son in 4 family member. He is a very only person who is educated in his family. In family, Mark's father Edward, Mark Zuber, that he is a dentist and mother is a psychiatrist. So that is nothing but as a psychiatrist. Mark got interested in programming. So initially he is a very interested in programming. He is making a programming and all this thing. And father was a dentist and mother is nothing but as a psychiatrist. So he is very interested in the programming, which is a and in his age of 10 years he got his first PC. So and the Intel that is a 488 that he will basic program he has developed by the Mark Zuckerberg and his father. Both they had to be because his father also be very much interested, but he was a dentist when he was 12-year-old. So Mark Zuckerberg when he was a 12-year-old. So he started to transferring his computer to computer. That is nothing but as a computer connected to one computer to the another computer. Whatever message you want to be sent from the one computer to the another computer, he is the first person who has a connected the internet. That is the first computer to computer connected in the age of 12 years. So that he has given the name is that Zucknote. Zucknote he has given the name for the transferring of his one computer to another computer. That is nothing but as a transfer. Well, to each other in February 2004. February 4, 2004, Mark registered his Facebook.com. So he has a registered his Facebook. Whatever we are saying Facebook and all this thing, the Mark Zuckerberg he is developed all this thing Facebook and internet and all, and then in October 2014 he has completed the purchase WhatsApp. So in 2014, that is nothing but as in October 2014 he has purchased the WhatsApp. So for how much? 2.2 billions of rupees he he has purchased, and he has a person who has know that he has done is the three achievements in his life. That is nothing but as he has first introduced by the Facebook.com, and then he has purchased WhatsApp, and third one is that is a connected computer to computer. His father was a dentist, mother is a psychiatrist. So since from the 10 years he will be starting from the making of the programs and all this thing. When he was 12-year old, then he will be a transfer of his computer to computer he has made, and then he will be buy his WhatsApp for 2.2 millions. So this is the nothing but just a short story of the Mark Zuckerberg. He is born in the New York in 1984. So how many awards he got in his life? So Excel award he has got in his life, and the Chief Executive Officer award he has got, and then of the year, and then Times Person of the Year. The award has given to the Mark Zuckerberg that he got in that, and social networking award he has got in his life. See the how a person will be successful in his life, and he has given to the world, not in his country, to the all over world. He has given to the Facebook and WhatsApp, and being connected to the one computer to another computer. So these are the most successful entrepreneurs in the international level and national level. It is nothing but as, so he is the most successful entrepreneur, or we have to call as a business tycoon. So this is nothing as a fifth successful entrepreneur's story or autobiography of the Mark Zuckerberg. So you have to listen carefully whatever I am sending, or already send the notes of this Mark Zuckerberg detailing. If you want, you have to go through that, and you have to make a points and the dates and the awards and what he has done. All these things you have to be remember. So next we have to go for, that is the last entrepreneurship development under that successful entrepreneurs. We have to go tomorrow. So until that, you have to take care of yourself. Thank you.